So the Vivo X300 Ultra came with one of the best camera setups on a smartphone. In fact, we can say it's among the few phones that offer a touch of a professional camera experience. Now, as they are preparing the X500 Ultra, we have got details on its zoom lens thanks to a highly reliable source. So let's get started. So according to the digital chart station, there are 3 different 200 megapixel sensors that are being tested for the X500 Ultra as the telephoto sensors. So as per the tipster, there is a 1/1.2 inch, a 1/1.3 inch and a 1/1.4 inch sensor sizes for the telephoto. Now, if we talk about 1/1.2 inch sensor size, for a telephoto sensor, it's an incredibly bigger sensor size. Probably if we compare it with other current top-end camera phones, this will be the biggest sensor size for a telephoto on a smartphone. Of course, having a bigger sensor size means it can gather more light and so can deliver better image details at long focal lengths, where usually telephoto lenses struggle. But on the other hand, when fitting such a space-intensive and complex sensor, Vivo also needs to take care of the other internals as well as the phone dimensions. Now, as for the other 2 alternatives, a 1/1.3 inches and a 1/1.4 inch sensor size, they seem to offer a balanced solution between camera performance and phone thickness. Now, this is in line with earlier leaks which were hinting Vivo has dropped the idea of a 10x periscope telephoto. Instead, they will continue to use a 200 megapixel periscope like on the Vivo X300 Ultra. Anyway, it's still early for the Vivo X500 Ultra. Of course, I will keep you updated along the way. By the way, Vivo is also preparing an X500 Pro Max and also a mini variant. To check them out, click here. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.